General is coming down. The 10th of December for hearing. Thank you.
Our prayer is very simple. It is something known by everyone all over the world. Our position is simple, that these persons voluntarily came out and told the world that they had defected. As a matter of fact, we saw it on Channels TV, saw it on TVC, and we have now come here to tell the court that, look, having done that, they should vacate the seat so that INEC can conduct a by-election where everybody, including Labour Party, will contest. Furthermore, at the Federal High Court in Abuja, they deposed to an affidavit reflecting the fact that they have defected. The PDP also responded to that affidavit, admitting that they have defected. Interestingly, we have video clips to play here, so we hope that on the day, the court already had granted us leave to play that video clip, so on the day we'll be adopting, we will play that clip for the whole world to also see what they already seen before.
And what happens most time is that you court will usually take the preliminary applications before they get to the substantive matter. So what happened today was exactly so. Court needed to trash out the preliminary issues before it gets into the substantive matter. Well, the first defendant, as well as the second to the 28th defendant, were asking the court to order the plaintiff, or so to say, the plaintiff in the matter to file pleadings on the basis that the issue before the court is contentious and is not one of such issues that can be determined on a documentary basis, so to say. That's on ground of originating summons. So that's the issue that the court has actually taken on today.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.